Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at a 20,000 milliamp hour power bank. This was very kindly sent to me by the manufacturer. They were also kind enough to give a discount code for you guys. That code can be used for anything you purchase from the online store. Link in the description box to their store and the discount code. Before we start, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below and subscribe to watch more reviews. This is everything that was included inside the box. The first thing, we get a warranty card. It's very important to register your warranty online within 14 days. That will take it from 30 days to 3 years. Instruction booklet. Model number for this is B1B5. Some information there regarding the ports. We got a Type C port and 2 Type A ports. The 3-year warranty, lifetime technical support. It's in different languages. The box, obviously. We get a pouch. It's got some branding on there. The string there. Type A to Type C cable to charge the power bank. There's also a light included. That light will be useful if you have a laptop that doesn't have lighting on the keyboard. You can use this. I'll show you that in a bit. Look at the power bank, some branding there. That's the display. So it looks like from there. Some information at the back there. It does have a bit of weight to it, but there is a big battery in there. But I like the size of it. It's compact, because I reviewed another power bank last month, and the size on that were really big. That were 2,600 milliamp hour, but I have reviewed other power banks as well that have been 20,000 milliamp hour, but they've been a lot larger than this. I'll link them down below if you want to watch them reviews. So at the top here we have 2 Type A ports and a Type C input output, a flashlight and a power button there. I say power button. When you charge any of your electrical devices, you don't need to use that power button. That button, you'll only need to use it when you connect this light to it, or if you want to know how much power you've got remaining. So if I push it once, it'll bring up the percentage. There's 60% remaining. And you'll also push that same button to turn on the flashlight. So tap it twice. Tap it twice again. The flashlight is off. If I just show you this light, you can put in any of the Type A ports and push this. It's come on there. It is quite bright, that. And because of the way it's designed, you could have it at different angles. It's really helpful for when you're camping, or just say even in the house, if you don't want to turn on your main light and your laptop keyboard doesn't have lighting on it, this would come in use. Show you there. Let it focus. Just remove that. The Type C port is a fast charging port, and it'll let you know if your device is being fast charged, if it's compatible. If I just put that there, put the other end to my phone. Let's come on. It's letting me know my device that it is charging rapidly, but it's also brought a little sign there, the little lightning sign. It's letting me know that this phone is compatible with the fast charging port, so it's charging that. Now if I were to get my iPad, just plug that in. Remove that, plug that in there. That has also started charging, but that sign's gone because this tablet doesn't have fast charging, so that sign's gone off. Okay, I have the times written down here from the usage I have had. I let the battery completely go to 0 on the power bank. I put the power bank on charge using this Google Pixel 3a cable and my Google Pixel 3a plug. From 0% battery to full battery, it took 5 hours. It says on their site, it says 6 hours. I was really pleased when I got a lot less than that. Now, the amount of charges I have had from this power bank, I got 1 full charge for my iPad mini 2. From 0 to full, it took 4.5 hours, and the tablet was off at the time. I charged my Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge from 0 to 100, it took 1.5 hours. After the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, I charged my Google Pixel 3a twice. The first time the battery went to 0, the phone had completely shut off. 0 to 100 in 1 hour and 30 minutes. The second time there were 20% battery left. From 20% to 100 it took 1 hour and 20 minutes. The power bank still had around 5% left. I used that on my daughter's Samsung tablet, and then the power bank had drained out. But I didn't record that because when we first received the power bank, it had around 80% battery. But again, when I was using that, I didn't record the times. So in total, I have had one full charge for my iPad mini 2, one full charge for my Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, and then 2 charges for my Google Pixel 3a. So in our opinion, this is a fantastic product. I especially like the size of it. I know it is heavy because it does have a big battery in there, but it's not too big. It will fit in a pocket or even in a small bag. I hope this video was useful to someone. If it was, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section, and subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.